If you ever see a giant bird staring at you like it pays taxes, don't panic. That's America's most judgmental mascot. Yep, that's the American bald eagle. But here's the twist. It sounds less like a warrior and more like a squeaky toy. Seriously, why does freedom scream like that? Before I fly off, hit like if you respect the hustle and subscribe if you'd still run away if this thing looked at you funny. This bird can fly up to 100 miles per hour when diving, has eyesight 4 times sharper than yours, and can spot fish from crazy heights. Oh, and it steals food from other birds. So yeah, not just powerful, also kinda lazy. Classic. Basically, it's the guy who shows up late, takes your fries, and still looks cool doing it.